Today we're going to walk 5 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. You don't need any fancy equipment, just grab something for hydration, slip on your sneakers, and we're gonna get started right here, right now. Start in your walk-in place. So we're gonna march it out. So 5 minutes, I'm gonna set my clock so I can keep time for us. And we have 4 basic moves. So you're doing the first one right here. If you ever get hung up on a move, just hop back in. We're gonna walk in place. Nice, great little way to boost our energy, our mood, burn some calories, and have a lot of fun here. So I love doing incremental workouts. So if you just have 5 minutes and you want to make it happen, this is the workout for you. And if you're new here, my name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate, and I help women over 50 improve balance, flexibility, mobility, and just feel their best in the second season of life. So glad to have you along. So let's go into our next move. So find what space you have. We're just gonna take a side step. So step and step, nice. And if you're feeling froggy, you might sink the hips down a little bit, activate those backside muscles a little bit more. Side to side. Great for the hips. I'm feeling it today. I hope you are too. Nice. For 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Back to home base. We always come back here. Nice. Next move. Give me some kicks. And then kick and kick. Now, maybe reach both arms today, out and out. When the leg goes out, the arms go out. Nice. Get your legs as high as you want to. Yours might be a little lower, might be a little higher than mine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Nice job. Okay, I'll show you the next move. Now it's a knee lift. When you do this, try to think of drawing your belly button in towards the spine. So activating that 360 core, that transverse abdominis muscle. Feel the belly button gently drawn in. And then we're gonna lift a knee, lift a knee. Take it slow. Maybe opposite hand reaches today. Ooh, yeah. So getting a little bit more stretch in the torso, a little bit more stretch in the spine. Keep it going for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. So good for you. Halfway through already. Nice job today. Start by taking the feet wide. Nice. Give me some kickbacks. So we're gonna bring a heel back towards your bum and other side. Yeah. So you'll notice this is going to challenge your balance a little bit. If you need to, put a chair in front of you. Have something for support, maybe a wall. Maybe it's your friend, you know. Whatever you got, use it. Right? Great job. Maybe reach the arms high. Shine some light on this. Get some joy in your life. We're gonna pull the elbows down as the leg comes back. Nice. And again, if this is too much, maybe just one arm. You got one arm on the chair, one arm's reaching. For 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Nice job. Get the feet a little higher. Increase your heart rate a little bit by challenging yourself a little bit more. We always think of that heart muscle is the most important muscle in our whole body. So these aerobic workouts are great to strengthen your heart and your lungs, your whole body. Nice job. All right, side steps. I got lots of space today. You might join me. We're gonna do side doubles, but give me a little grapevine in the middle. So watch it, join me when you're ready. Step the foot out, give a little cross. Nice. Again, challenging ourselves. I hear that from my students all the time. How can I improve my balance? Well, walking, just in general, is one of the best things you can do to strengthen your whole body, right? Which improves your posture and, of course, improve your balance too. So it's all connected. You know, there's not one move that just supports balance. There's a lot of moves that you can do. And this is one of them. Yeah, here we are for 3, 2, 1. And it's very important to find a movement practice that you enjoy. So if you like walking, I'd love to invite you into our community. I have a new community online called the Empower 50 Plus membership. And in it, we focus on just improving our health in general, physical health, we look at steps, which is what we're doing here, stretch, and strength training. We also have areas where we do group health coaching, and of course a supportive community that's online but off Facebook, so no pressure for social media. Nice job, walk it out. Yeah, widen your feet. I'd love for you to check it out. You can visit my website, emilydaugherty.com, to learn more, join the community, and create this positive change in the world we need so desperately. Nice job. Walk the feet back together. And we hit 5 minutes already. Man, this went by fast. Go ahead and start to slow your feet down a little bit. Maybe give me a little toe tap forward or a little heel tap. Bring your heart rate down in a gentle way. Yeah, just that 5 minutes, I feel it. I'm sweating and I love it. Get that healthy glow with a sweat. Nice, for 3, 2, 1, slow it down. I never want you to skip your stretch, so let's plant the feet here. Take an angel breath, sweep your arms high. Exhale, let it go. Nice job. Press both feet evenly. We're gonna send one arm to the sky and then find a little fold over your degree of stretch. Not judging your body against mine. Set that hand down, and then other side will reach high, and then find a little fold here, banana pose. So good. And we'll call it a day. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below, and definitely subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. New videos come out twice a week now, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.